Hey, Ron, how's it going? Great meeting you yesterday. Thanks for tipping the bartender on my behalf again. As promised, I said I'd go through your site and figure out improvements. So here I am, my first time on your site, and I'm trying to see where we can improve things. First of all, I don't know why these are the background's black and they're gray. I fixed that and kind of centered them up here. I would also see this white whole box that everything is in. I would make this box as big as a screen, as any browser screen, and kind of take away this area up here where it's not connected. I would take out I would kind of improve this menu right here. I don't know why there's outlines here, and then the shade of red maroon looks kind of weird on black. I would fix that. Also, most importantly, I would have all this important contact information up top. Most people are on your site to see how they can hire you or whether or not they should hire you. You should make it as easy as possible for them to get in touch with you, because that's where the sales process can start. I like that you have something like that, call us or something, click here. I would make this whole thing clickable instead of having to figure out where to click here. This whole thing should click to wherever this does, which would be your contact thing. I would get rid of this picture because none of these people work for you, and that's weird. I would make your about, okay, cool, your about is clickable. I would have a nice clean picture of yourself and every employee that deals with customers here. And I would definitely look at all this verbiage, which is called copy. I would look at this, and instead of talking about how you were founded and blah 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 and estimating and all that, I would talk to directly to your potential client. If you're looking for a better electric service, or if something goes wrong in your home or commercial or a place of work, here's what we can do. That type of thing. Really focus on what the customer or the client is looking for. Services. All this is unnecessary, like I said with that one. This is kind of taking up a lot of space. I would just have this. I don't know why it's there. Is it a logo, or excuse me, is this something that's necessary? If not, erase that completely. Have the breadcrumbs here, which is like home, and then an arrow, and then services, so people know where they are. Again, since this is a universal change, if you fix this universally, this whole thing should be clickable to whatever contact form or and like I said earlier, just have this number up top over here, and make it clickable too, so people, when they're on their phone and the window's this big, it should still be up here, and when they click it, it goes to their phone dialer, so they literally call you with a tap instead of having to copy the number, paste into the dialer, and then call. Once again, like I said, make it as easy as possible for them to get in touch with you. I would also include a little like sentence and a half about what each of these is, so people that aren't well versed on the electric industry but still need to hire you can kind of figure out what they're looking for. Customer service, I don't see the difference here. I would just do contact, and then if they need service, you can have if you have a different service number. Looks like you don't, just have this one number. No need to confuse people. I think you can easily get rid of this page and it'll be fine. Like I said, make this entire div box the full length, and then what's really important is when you go here, which is the window size people will be viewing at on their phones and iPads and all that, it should respond to the screen size, which makes it a responsive site. So hopefully all these tips were helpful, and your IT guy should be able to help you out with these. If not, get in touch with me. I'd love to see how I can take care of things for you. Once again, it was great meeting you, and thanks again.